Blizzard alert. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and weather-related phrase, blizzard alert. This phrase is common in weather forecasts, especially in regions that experience severe winter conditions. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Before we understand the phrase, blizzard alert, let's first define what a blizzard is. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm characterized by strong winds, low temperatures, and a lot of snow. The key factors that make a snowstorm a blizzard are winds over 35 miles per hour, 56 km per hour, visibility less than 1/4 mile, 0.4 kilometers, due to snow, and these conditions lasting for at least 3 hours. Now, let's break down the phrase, blizzard alert. An alert is a warning about a potentially dangerous situation. So, a blizzard alert means a warning or advisory issued by weather services to inform people about an upcoming blizzard. It's a signal to take precautions and prepare for the severe weather conditions. Understanding and responding to a blizzard alert is crucial. It helps people prepare for possible power outages, stock up on essentials like food, water, and medical supplies. Avoid unnecessary travel. Stay safe and informed about the weather conditions. You might hear or use this phrase in various contexts. Weather forecasts on TV or radio, conversations about upcoming winter weather, making plans during the winter season, considering the weather conditions. Example, did you hear the weather report? There's a blizzard alert for this weekend. I hope this video helps you understand what a blizzard alert is and the importance of this phrase, especially in regions with severe winter weather. Stay safe, stay warm, and keep learning new phrases to enhance your English skills. See you in the next video.